Shooters, ready.
Ready.
Stand by. Jam. Yeah. Go ahead, clear it and finish them, bud. All right, let's push it out to 45 feet. We have 5 shots, 15 seconds at 45 feet. 5 shots, 15 seconds, 45 feet. Ain't no thing on here, so it's kind of hard.
Yeah, it's kind of hard to tell.
Yeah, there's no depth perception right in front of it. All right, guys, go ahead and load. Make it ready. Shooters, ready. Stand by. All right, bring it back to 15 feet. 15 feet, 10 shots, 15 seconds. Let's go ahead and load. Make ready. Shooters, ready. Stand by. All right, bring it back to me. I will take it from you.